Come test drive the 2020 Volvo V60. The Volvo V60 is all about pure driving pleasure, speed, and performance, all while using less fuel. It provides a luxurious cabin feel with custom-made ergonomic front seats, legroom for miles, and plenty of storage, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.